had to let you know you're fine. Hands on your body, I just gotta say.
Hi everyone! So welcome back again to MIRA Vlogs. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell button and of course the like button. So for this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your Facebook name into one single name or how to remove your surname, your last name, or your first name. So bali po, meron na po akong first video or tutorial about this topic. And yun nga, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi I got 10,000 views that particular video. Sobrang nakaka-mind-blowing. Kasi syempre, diba, if you're newbie, sobrang nakakatuwa yan. So while reading sa mga comments ninyo, nakita ko doon na yung ilan ay nagagana sa kanila or gumagana sa kanila. Yung ilan naman, there is a problem in 1.447 para sa ibang mga user. So that's why I make this another tutorial para po sa inyong lahat. And yun nga, bago tayo mag-start, I want to flex my wallpaper at the background. So sticker siya, para siyang yung texture niya is yung sa whiteboard. Advisable siya para sa mga estudyante ngayon, lalo na kapag marami kang schedule, pwede mo siyang isulat so that you can maximize your time. I bought it in LAZADA for just 168 pesos. At nakagandahan, may 3 years pa, almost 3 years pa ako natira. And yeah. And guys, yung gagamitin nating account dito is not mine, but my best friend's account. Thank you for let me use, Salamat sa pagpapahiram ng account mo. And don't worry kasi wala akong gagamitin or hindi ako magbabasa ng kung ano-ano dito, girl. Without further ado, let's dive into the video or to the tutorial right now. In 3, 2, 1! Ito yung... to search mondroid.com. Ito yung makikita nyo. And then i-search nyo po yung touch VPN. And you will see there is a left side po. Ito. And download. Install the first application. Just the first application. Download. Just skip it. Indonesia and connect. Just click OK. Ayan, so mga friendship, hindi nyo na kailangan ng 1.4.7 po dito. So once you're connected, ganyan yung makikita nyo. It's already enabled. And we will go to your Facebook. So, there you go mga friendship. We have already your first name only. Kung nakatulong yung video na to, please make sure na subscribe ka na bago mo tapusin ang video na to. And make sure na naka-thumbs up na rin. And if you have any questions, further comments, just leave a comment in the section button. Hey!